Today, we're diving into exciting updates from Samsung's One UI 7.0. Thanks to recent leaks, we have a sneak peek at some major upgrades to Samsung's core apps like Reminder, Calendar, Voice Recorder, and Calculator. Stick around to learn all the details about these changes and how they're shaping the user experience. Samsung's One UI 7.0 is making waves with its refined design and improved usability. With enhancements to key apps, the update promises to elevate productivity while keeping the interface clean and intuitive. Let's break down the updates, starting with the Samsung Reminder app. The Samsung Reminder app has been redesigned for simplicity and efficiency. While its core functionality remains intact, the app now boasts a modernized interface. The sleek visuals make it easier to manage tasks and reminders, whether you're planning your day or organizing long-term projects. But here's the best part. You can already try out the new Reminder app on your Galaxy device. We'll get into the steps for downloading it shortly. The Calendar app has received a significant overhaul, focusing on customization and aesthetics. The standout feature, customizable widgets. You can now adjust the background and shape of calendar widgets to match your home screen theme. Additionally, Samsung has introduced new color options for alarms and event reminders. This small touch brings a fresh and personalized vibe to your Getly scheduling, ensuring you stay organized while enjoying a splash of creativity. Next up is the Voice Recorder app. Samsung has fine-tuned its interface to deliver a cleaner, more streamlined experience. One notable update is the layout of the recordings list. Date and time details are now displayed on the left, paired with a circular play button on the right. These adjustments might seem minor, but they enhance usability, making it easier to navigate and play recordings quickly. The Calculator app also gets a few updates in One UI 7.0. While the changes aren't groundbreaking, they reflect Samsung's focus on maintaining a cohesive design language across its apps. The revised interface feels more intuitive, ensuring the app stays practical for everyday use. Here's how you can get an early taste of the new Reminder app. The APK for the updated app is available for download through trusted third-party platforms like APK Mirror. To install the app, 1. Download the APK file from APK Mirror. 2. Use the Samsung My Files app or any file manager to open and install it. 3. If you encounter issues due to One UI Stick's auto-blocker feature, simply navigate to settings greater than security and privacy and disable the feature temporarily. Once installed, you can start exploring the app's new features right away. If you prefer to wait for the official release, the One UI 7.0 beta program is expected to launch soon. Owners of the Galaxy S24 series, including the S24, S24 Plus, and S24 Ultra, will likely be the first to access the beta in select regions. The beta program not only provides early access to these app updates, but also allows users to experience the overall improvements in One UI 7.0 before its full rollout. The leaks also hint at upcoming installation files for other updated apps like Calendar and Voice Recorder. As these become available, we'll keep you posted with step-by-step guides and insights on how to make the most of them. Samsung continues to raise the bar with One UI 7.0, focusing on customization, usability, and attention to detail. While each app update may seem small on its own, together they contribute to a more polished and enjoyable user experience. What do you think about these changes? Are you excited to try out the new features? Share your thoughts in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. Don't forget to hit the like button if you found this video helpful and subscribe for more updates on the latest in tech. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll catch you in the next one. Samsung's Galaxy S25 Ultra is one of the most highly anticipated flagship smartphones of 2025. With its expected release just a few months away, this device promises to refine Samsung's already stellar reputation in the world of premium Android smartphones. In today's video, we'll dive deep into everything we know so far about the Galaxy S25 Ultra, from its release date expectations and price estimates to design changes, hardware upgrades, and much more. So stick around as we explore why this device could be a game changer in the smartphone world. Samsung is expected to unveil the Galaxy S25 Ultra in early 2025, likely in January or February. The company has a consistent track record of launching its flagship series at the beginning of the year, and this trend seems to continue. Rumors suggest that the unpacked event for the Galaxy S25 series could occur on January 22, 2025, which aligns with Samsung's past patterns. This date makes sense as it allows the brand to capitalize on post-holiday enthusiasm while steering clear of the CES 2025 event, which runs from January 7 to 11. If this timeline holds, the device could hit store shelves by the first week of February. However, there's another twist in the story. A rumored new addition, the Galaxy S25 Slim, might join the lineup. This ultra-thin model could either launch alongside the S25 Ultra or arrive later in April or May. Pricing for the Galaxy S25 Ultra is another hot topic. The Galaxy S24 Ultra saw a price hike earlier this year, but will Samsung dare to increase prices again? Reports suggest the 256 GB base model of the Galaxy S25 Ultra could start at $1,299 with a 512 GB and 1 TB options priced at $1,419 and $1,659 respectively. These are the same prices as the current S24 Ultra lineup, but there's a catch. If Samsung faces challenges with its 3 in production yields, this could drive up costs, potentially affecting the final price. Fortunately, Samsung typically offers multiple ways to save. Expect trade-in deals and carrier discounts to make upgrading more affordable. For instance, current offers like Verizon's $800 discount with specific plans or Samsung's trade-in credits up to $750 could extend to the S25 Ultra. So if you're planning to upgrade, keep an eye out for these deals. Now let's talk about design. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is rumored to maintain its premium titanium frame, first introduced with the Galaxy S24 Ultra. However, there's a significant tweak: rounded edges. This design shift is expected to give the S25 Ultra a sleeker, more ergonomic feel, reminiscent of the iconic Galaxy Note series. Leaked renders also hint at a rounded back with a straighter front, creating a subtle asymmetry for a fresh look. The dimensions are expected to measure 162.82 x 77.65 x 8.25 millimeters, making it slightly thinner and narrower, but a touch taller than its predecessor. Additionally, the phone will feature Corning's glare-free glass, further enhancing its durability and aesthetics. When it comes to color options, leaks point to 4 stunning shades: titanium black, titanium blue, titanium gray, titanium silver. Each color exudes elegance and continues Samsung's tradition of offering premium finishes. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is likely to retain its 6.8-inch dynamic AMOLED 2X panel, which has become a hallmark of Samsung's flagship series. This display will likely support a 1 to 120 Hz adaptive refresh rate, ensuring buttery smooth visuals whether you're gaming or scrolling. One area where we hope to see an improvement is maximum brightness. Samsung could enhance outdoor visibility by boosting the peak brightness beyond the current standards. This would be a welcome upgrade for users who frequently use their phones in bright environments. Cameras are always a highlight of Samsung's Ultra models, and the Galaxy S25 Ultra is no exception. According to trusted leaks, the device will feature a quad-camera setup with the following specifications: 200-megapixel primary sensor, Samsung ISOCELL HP2, 10-megapixel telephoto camera, 3x optical zoom, 50-megapixel periscope telephoto lens, 5x optical zoom, 50-megapixel ultra-wide sensor, Samsung ISOCELL JN3. While the primary telephoto and periscope lenses appear unchanged from the S24 Ultra, the new 50-megapixel ultra-wide sensor promises significant improvements. The addition of this sensor is expected to enhance wide-angle photography and low-light performance. Eye-driven enhancements will also play a crucial role. Samsung has been investing heavily in artificial intelligence for its camera systems, and we anticipate further improvements in image stabilization, portrait modes, and night photography. Under the hood, the Galaxy S25 Ultra is rumored to feature Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset, promising lightning-fast performance. This chip will likely be paired with 12 GB of RAM in the base model, with a 16 GB RAM variant also rumored. In terms of storage, the S25 Ultra might debut Samsung's latest UFS 4.0 4-lane storage technology, offering nearly 8 GB/sec speeds, doubling the performance of current UFS 4.0 standards. This upgrade will significantly enhance app loading times, multitasking, and overall efficiency. Battery performance is another crucial factor. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is expected to pack a 5,000 mAh battery similar to its predecessor. While a larger battery isn't likely due to space constraints, Samsung could improve battery optimization for longer usage. Charging speeds, however, remain a question mark. While the device is rumored to stick with 45-watt wired charging, we're hopeful for faster charging technology to compete with other brands offering 100-watt or higher speeds. On the software side, the Galaxy S25 Ultra will likely launch with One UI 7.1 based on Android 15. This iteration of One UI is expected to bring new customization options, improved multitasking features, and tighter Galaxy AI integration. Samsung's focus on privacy and security will also take center stage, ensuring users have greater control over their data. Expect enhancements like better app permissions, on-device AI processing, and secure file sharing. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is shaping up to be an impressive device, combining top-tier hardware, refined design, and cutting-edge software. If you're currently using an older model like the Galaxy S22 or S23, the S25 Ultra could be a worthy upgrade. However, if you already own the S24 Ultra, the differences may not be groundbreaking enough to warrant a switch unless you're drawn to specific features like the new ultra-wide camera or the sleek, rounded design. The Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra represents the pinnacle of what Samsung aims to achieve in smartphone innovation. With its refined design, improved camera systems, and powerful hardware, this device is set to compete with the best in the industry. Are you excited about the Galaxy S25 Ultra? Let us know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates on the latest smartphones. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.